Hey guys and gals, Darren Ucker with the SolsticeMeadery here to do a product review with you. Today I'm going to be reviewing the FastRack Bottle Tree Alternative for drawing and or storing your bottles once you've gone through them. And you see over here to my right, I have quite a few beer bottles that I've managed to collect. And they fit perfectly in this. This is a FastRack drying system. You'll see that it has 4 posts on the corners, which are very deep. The system does come with 2 trays, or 2 racks and 1 tray for the bottom. It does have inside, it does have a grid to keep it nice and stable. It also has, I don't know if you can see those, but it does have in the corners some nubs that come up that the bottle stands actually fit down into to keep it nice and stable in there. It does not move at all. Now I have tried this with my beer bottles, and while you can hear them rattling around because they touch, it does feel much sturdier than my bottle tree that I have up there. You can stack this up to 5 high. You'll notice that I do have, you have to be careful, I do have some different types of beer bottles in here, so on the corners you want to make sure it's the same 4 type and style of bottles so that when you're stacking them, the next one fits nice and snug. Now, I have, again, it holds 24 per rack. You can stack this up to 5 high, and it does feel very stable, very steady. It does not feel like it's going to be moving around a lot at all. It does say that it can do beer bottles, growlers, wine bottles. I've even tested with my small sampler bottles. This is a 187 milliliter champagne bottle, and it does fit very nicely down into there. And I have tested, and the standoff ends fit very nicely down into the dimple. So again, even if you're using smaller bottles, it's going to be very nice and stable. Now, while this does hold 24 bottles per rack, if it's beer bottles, if you use, you can hear them clinking, so they're touching. If you use growlers, or if you use 375 milliliter wine bottles, you're going to have to stagger them every other, which means I think you're only going to be able to put like 12, maybe 16 in here because of the room they take up. Otherwise, really solid product. It stacks well, it works well. I think I'm going to use this for storing my bottles between the times that I brew. I think I'm going to start using this for actually storing my bottles from now on. I think it's an excellent system. It was $26, $26.99, bought and sold and fulfilled by Amazon. You can get this at your local home brew supply, and if you can, I encourage you to buy local. But with the current situation that's going on, COVID-19, I'm not in any rush to get out to any stores. But I did need this. I was starting to stack up bottles and running out of room to put them. I still have more that I need to wash and get them prepped. So definitely like this product. I think you will too. I'll put a link down in the description below so that you can get a hold of this product if it's something that you think you might want to use as part of your bottling solution. Take care, guys.